give your insight into that, because to understand about homeopathy, this few hours won't be enough for us. At least you've got a taste how to go about and understand about the patient. So that will definitely help us to grow further into homeopathy.
On behalf of all PhD students, I would love to extend my heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you for gracing us with your presence and insightful and engaging seminars. First and foremost, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to our esteemed speaker, Dr. Shekhar Algundgi, for sharing their knowledge and expertise. I would also love to thank Dr. Divya ma'am for putting efforts and preparing today's seminar. Thank you, ma'am. I would also like to thank our principal, Dr. Roshan Pinto sir, for putting this effort and bringing this seminar to a successful one. I would also love to thank our staff who have been with us throughout the seminar and encouraging us. And I would also love to thank our senior, Srishti, for making this seminar a successful one. Last but not the least, I want to thank each and every one of you for your active participation. Let us carry forward the knowledge and insights gained from today's seminar and continue to inspire and empower each other. Thank you once again to everyone who made this event a resounding